Greetings of peace, everyone. This is Associate Professor Christian Enoval from the Republic of the Philippines. It is with great honor and privilege that I have been invited to deliver a keynote address at the International Conference on Artificial Intelligence, Data Science, Cybersecurity, and Smart Manufacturing for Sustainable Development, or ICA DCS 2026. The conference will be held on 23rd to 24th of May 2026 at the Vikrant University in Gwalior, India. This international academic forum will bring together distinguished researchers, academicians, scientists, industry experts, and practitioners from around the world. It will serve as a platform to exchange ideas, present innovative research, and discuss recent advances in AI, data science, cybersecurity, smart manufacturing, and emerging digital technologies for sustainable development. These technologies are transforming the future. Artificial intelligence enables smarter decision making and intelligent automation. Data science converts information into meaningful insights for solving global challenges, while cybersecurity protects critical digital infrastructures and ensures trust in a connected world. Lastly, smart manufacturing creates efficient, sustainable, and resilient industries through advanced automation and innovation. Together, these technologies drive innovative solutions for a resilient and sustainable future. As a professional engineer, working full-time in a financial institution and teaching in the academic university, I am excited to share my keynote, which will focus on the technology's transformative role in the Philippines' financial sector. My presentation will explore key technological breakthroughs, their impacts, and how they have sparked a financial revolution, making services more accessible, efficient, and inclusive. Let us come together to inspire innovation, collaboration, and sustainable progress. Whether you are a student, educator, researcher, industry professional, or technology enthusiast, we warmly welcome you to be part of this inspiring global gathering. See you all on 23rd May 2026 at the ICA DCS 2026 in Gwalior, India.